In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoCharting Range Bar. Range bars are a powerful way to cut through market noise by focusing on pure price movement rather than time. Instead of producing a new bar every minute or every hour, a range bar forms only when price has moved a set amount. That makes trends, pullbacks, and breakouts much easier to see at a glance. Start by opening a chart for the asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a crypto pair, a futures contract, whatever you follow. The key is to have the price chart visible so you can switch its display style. Make sure the chart is fully loaded and that your data feed is active, so the change you make updates smoothly. Next, look for the Chart Type menu. On most layouts, it sits above or right next to the chart area, often in the main toolbar. It might appear as a drop-down labeled Chart Type or Style, or as an icon that, when clicked, reveals options like Candlestick, Bar, Line, Renko, and of course, Range Bar. If your toolbar is condensed, this control can be nested inside a More menu. Hover or click to reveal it. From that list, choose Range Bar. You're simply telling the platform to redraw the same asset's price action using range-based construction instead of time-based intervals. You'll see it listed alongside familiar chart types, so select it just like you would switch from candlesticks to lines. Once selected, the chart will immediately redraw into range bar format. You'll notice a few things right away. Each bar is the same height because every bar represents the same price movement range. Time along the x-axis will look irregular, since new bars only print when price has actually moved enough. During quiet periods, bars will appear less frequently, while active periods will stack bars quickly. This property helps highlight momentum and consolidations without the distortion that can come from fixed time frames. Use this view to spot clean trend structures, clearer breakouts from tight consolidations, and sharper pullback entries. Because range bars filter out tiny back-and-forth ticks that often clutter time-based charts, your support and resistance zones can stand out more distinctly. If you're comparing it with your usual candlestick chart, you'll likely notice smoother swings and fewer false signals caused by idle time. That's all there is to it. Open your assets chart, locate the chart type control, choose range bar, and let the chart redraw. Practice switching on a few different symbols to see how volatility changes the flow of bars. With just this change, your analysis can become more focused, more consistent, and easier to act on.